Good evening, friends. Today I will teach you how to combine either merge two column data in one column. Let me tell you one story. I have one party in my house. I given my guest name to my staff to type in Excel sheet what he did. He given one sheet to me like this. He used first name one column, middle name second column, and surname in the third column. I tell him I cannot use this sheet because all that one name in three columns is not look good. I tell please redo it again. He says, sir, I will it take time, I will do it. So I said, don't worry, let me teach you how to combine, how to merge two either more column to make one column. Let's show you. This is the, I put the full name now. I use the formula concat. Now is equal to CONCAT open bracket first name comma colon space colon comma second middle name comma colon space colon comma third name surname and close the bracket and put enter. Now you see the full name came on proper way. You can see. Let me zoom it here. This before it look like this, now it look like this. I tell him to control do the copy and paste in all the columns here. So you will get exactly control V paste. You see, this is come on the proper way. This can save your time and energy. This formula we use when there is a multiple data and we want to merge two or more than two columns in one column at one time. I think you understand. Thank you so much.